up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video, I thought it would be fun to do something a little bit different and do a what's in my makeup bag slash like makeup essentials. I really don't change my makeup that often. I have like my daily look and that's what I stick to. If I sprucing it up, I'll do more eyeshadow and eyeliner on the top, but when I'm just doing my day-to-day makeup, I really just stick to like mascara, clean, fresh skin, and like some contour. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be showing you. I literally, like, I didn't go through my makeup bag at all before this and like take anything out. So this is literally what's in my makeup bag, and I hope you guys enjoy this video, and let's get into it. And this is from Victoria's Secret. Makeup bags that are in this shape that are kind of like ovally and then have a top are so easy. It's kind of unfortunate when you open it and everything is on top, but there's just something about being able to like flip it open and like dig through it. Before I had this one, I had one of like the circly ones that have the zipper and you like can't really open anything, so I would definitely recommend this shape for a makeup bag. Super easy, very convenient, love it. I at least normally kind of like dump everything out to start and then I put it back in as I go. So anyways, enough on that. So to start off, on the top, I just have 4 mascaras. And I've been using the Maybelline Lash Sensation, and then I use this green one, the Covergirl, for my bottom lashes, and then I have these 2 purple ones for like on top of my top lashes after I do this lighter pink one. Yeah, I don't know why I have 2. I should probably get rid of whichever one is drier. Now I have my e.l.f. contouring blush and bronzing powder. I use this if I'm like trying to get a real contour because this stuff is so dark and like pigmented. And then I have my Bobbi Brown powder. I love Bobbi Brown. I think their skin products are really good and they're a little bit more pricey, but for the essentials that you're gonna have for a while, I would definitely recommend these. And then I have my Bobbi Brown, what is this called? It's like a shimmer brick and it's broken, so I have it like taped. Can't get rid of it, but it looks just like that. Next, I have the good old Hoola bronzer, which I feel like everybody has. Can't go wrong with this. Super great. I still use this every day, and I've been using this as an eyeshadow when I need just some extra color by my eyes, or like want my eyes to pop and still have like a natural look. I have my Nasty Beauty blender, which is not really a real beauty blender. I can't say that. Beauty blender. And then I have my Covergirl Foundation. I use one of 2 foundations every day. I either use this one or another one that I'm going to show you. And lately, I've been taking just 1 pump of this and then my face lotion and like literally mixing it in my hands, and that's how I've been putting on my foundation, and it's been going on really even and much lighter. It's not as heavy and I really like it, and it gives like a nice, smooth, even, light finish. And then after that, I have my good old Bobbi Brown blush, and this is in the shade Slopes, and it's a great color. I'm wearing it right now. All of these products I'm wearing right now because I literally do this every day if I'm wearing makeup. I have my eyelash curler, which I just got from the drugstore. This is by Tweezerman, and it's a really good curler. I hadn't had one for a long time because I like went through this phase where I stopped curling my eyelashes, but I got this one and I really love it, and it does a really good job of fully curling them. And then I have my Tinted brow mascara, or not mascara, brow gel, duh. And this is just what I do for my brows. And then I also have my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz pencil. I have my MAC eyeliner in the shade Teddy, which I've literally had since like for like 4 years probably. It's kind of been, I should probably get a new one of these. And like my cap has like been taped like 20 times. Literally whenever I travel, this thing cracks. So I have my It Cosmetics Press Like Foundation in the shade Light, and I really love this, but lately it's been like getting in my cracks like of like where my smile, like my lines, and it's really been like enhancing them. So I haven't been using this as much, but when I do, I'll do it on my forehead because it really does give wonderful coverage. It just like lately has been like a little heavy, or maybe I'm like doing it too much. The It Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores, and you do this after you do your makeup, and it does a crazy job. It literally just like airbrushes you, but you have to use it very sparingly because when I first did it, I just put it all over my face, and then it kind of looked like I had like none of my face makeup on anymore. Like it really dimmed and like lessened my bronzer and my blush and stuff, so just do it very sparingly, but I really do like this to finish off my makeup. And then I have the good old Bella Bamba Benefit blush. I have this brow kit from, what is this, Benefit? It looks just like that, and I like this, but I really don't use it too much because it made my brows like very defined, which I don't need to have like some Instagram like brows. I just want them to like be able to be seen because normally my brows brows are really, really light, but I definitely like the brow gel. And then I have my Maybelline what is it called? Concealer, and this is all used up, as you can see. I really hope you guys can see these products from here. I hope so. For my foundation, if I want something heavier than the Covergirl one, I use my Stay Matte, and it's actually a mousse, and it gives really good coverage. Whenever I do my friend's makeup, I always use this. It really gets rid of any redness. It like is literally full coverage, and it's matte, which is why I like it. And yeah, I normally only use this for special occasions or like parties, events, stuff like that. I used to always use this for meets also in college, and because you're getting sweaty obviously, and I was tumbling and stuff like that, and this did not move. So I love this. And then I just have my Urban Decay Primer Potion, which I tend to not use that often. When I do eyeshadow, it's almost like too intense because you can't like blend, but I do have this. I used to use it for like competitions and stuff. I have a little baby of the Professional. It's kind of almost out. I have my pencil sharpener. And if I do eyeshadow, it's in the color Amber Rush, and it's the most amazing eyeshadow. I actually got this because Lauren Curtis had it, and like she has like the most beautiful blue eyes, and it really enhances her eyes. So this is what I do every single time if I'm doing eyeshadow, and then I'll do some of the Hoola in the outer corner and stuff like that just to darken it up a little bit. It's seriously so pretty. It really brings out blue eyes, and I feel like green eyes would look, ooh, honestly brown would look really good too. Honestly, this is just a really good color to have. I have this white eyeliner. I normally go around like the underneath part of my brow with this. And then I have this awesome Bobbi Brown lip liner in the shade Ballet Pink, which is the one that I like pretty much always wear because it's basically like my lip color enhanced. And then I have my Burt's Bees Honeysuckle Tinted Lip Balm, which is what I've been doing all the time lately because I don't know, it just adds like natural color, but it's not like, it looks, I don't know, it looks more natural, it's easier, it's not like a lip pencil. You can just literally like, oh yes, and you're done. I have my Maybelline Eye Studio paint pot, and this is what I use if I'm ever doing top eyeliner. It's really, really great. It's Maybelline, so it's drugstore, and it's a great price point, and this is honestly the only one I've like ever used, so it works great. And then I have a little Mineral Fusion Cosmetics concealer, and I haven't used this for a while, but it works pretty good. And then lastly, I just have a Becca highlighter, and this one's really, really pretty. It's kind of like a rose gold, and I've been wearing it. I'm actually wearing it today. I don't know if you can tell right here, but yeah. And it's just a little baby because my makeup bag was like exploding and I didn't need another product. But all of my makeup does fit in here, which is nice. And it's great because I used to keep all of my makeup. Oh, and I also have this thing, but I still don't really know what it is. I think it's like a shimmery skin perfector. So I'm guessing you cover like pimples with this. It's by Becca. But yeah, I was gonna say, normally when I was in high school, I used to keep all of my makeup like in the top drawer of my bathroom. So whenever I was like going somewhere, or if I needed to like last minute, you know, I don't know, if I was like going on vacation or blah, 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 packing, you know, you'd have to like take all your makeup products, but now I literally just leave them in this bag and never take them out, which is great. I'm basically always packed up if I need to go somewhere, which is awesome. So those are all of my makeup products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you are wondering like what's in a good, well-balanced makeup bag for everyday wear, I think these products are really good. It's a wide range from nicer, like Bobbi Brown, to drugstore, which is still great because it's a good price point and you get some decent products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to follow me on Instagram and turn on your post notifications. And don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.